What's up, guys? Welcome to today's piano tutorial of Oceans in the key of C. We're going to start off by learning 4 basic chords, which are F major, which consists of F, A, C, F major, followed by G major, just up 1 position, which consists of G, B, D, G major, then up 1 more position for A minor, which consists of A, C, E. All right, let's do that more time. So we have F major, G major, A minor. Good. And our last chord we're going to take a look at is C major, which consists of C, E, and G. However, instead of having the G on the top, we're going to move it down to the bottom. This way, it's still the same 3 notes as C major, just a different order. So I love this C major second inversion because it's literally right next to all our other chords. And it sounds a lot nicer too. All right, now let's take a look at our left hand, where we're going to place in F position for the entire song, which means that our pinky will rest on F and our thumb will rest on C. Now, when you see a split chord like this G over B here, what that indicates is that in our right hand, we'll have a G major, and in our left hand, we will be playing B at the same time. And it's really beautiful. It adds a lot of texture to your song because that B wants to resolve to C. So beautiful. It is optional, so if you want to, instead of playing that B, play a G in the left hand as well, you can do that. But I think with a little bit of practice, it'll make a huge difference in your sound to have that slash chord there. All right, so now let's go to the beginning of our song, starting at the intro, which has exactly the same pattern that we'll use for all our verses. Yay! Starting with A minor, and then our slash chord, and then C, down to G, and down to F. All right, so we're gonna hold that A for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, and then our slash chord, and then for just 1, and then C for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then G for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, F for 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Same thing. 2, 3, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. What you can also do is repeat the beat in the right hand. So that A minor we said we're going to have for 3 beats. So you'll just repeat that chord for 3 times in the right hand. So it'll be A minor, 2, 3, slash, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. There you go. All right, now that we know our intro, it's exactly the same as our verses. So let's start off with verse 1. You ready? You call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery. Oceans deep, my faith will stand. All right, awesome job. All right, now for our chorus, well, we'll start off with F for 2 counts, followed by C with 2 counts as well. So F, and I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your exact thing. Your grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign hand will be my guide. Where feet may fail and fear surrounds me, you've never failed and you won't start now. Chorus 2, which is exactly the same as chorus 1. So I will call upon your name. Oh, keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours, and you are mine. You are mine. All right. Great job. So the original song, Bridge 1, repeats 3 times, and the chords are A minor, followed by F, C, and then G, and that repeats. So, Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. All right, on to our bridge number 2, which has a D minor chord. All right, so D minor consists of D, F, and A. But we're going to take that D and put it to the top. So we're going to have F, A, D, which is D minor in first inversion. And left hand is going to stretch a little bit for that D. So that's our D minor chord. F, A, D with a D in the left hand. So bridge 2 starts with F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, back to F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. Okay, notice how that D minor chord is literally right next to F. You just have to move the pinky down to C. And also notice from G major to D minor, the pinky stays the same. All right, let's hear bridge 2. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. All right, now we're into bridge 3, which starts with A minor, followed by G, and then C. Back to G, and then D minor. And that repeats. So A minor is going to have 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to have a G for 1, and then a C for 4. 2, 3, 4. G, 1, 2, 3, 4. D for 4. 2, 3, 4. Again, A, 2, 3, G, C. 2, 3, 4. G for 4. 2, All right, there you have it, guys. Oceans in the key of C on keyboard. I hope this inspired you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite worship song is for me to do next. Love you guys, and see you next time.